What's up, everybody? This is Keith from Showchrome, and I just got some brand new products in to help with the storage solutions I have with my Can-Am Ryker. So what we're going to do is go over to the Ryker, and I'm going to show you exactly where they go and how they're going to help you with your storage solutions. Okay, here are the items we have today. First, we're going to have the tank protector. This is going to go around the tank area to prevent scratches. This is going to go above the tank protector. What this is going to do is for you to be able to put storage stuff that you have to quickly access without going to the front. And these are dual pouches. They're going to go on each side of the bike, right under the handlebars, which will be in arm's reach when you need to grab something real quickly. This is going to help you a lot when you fill up your front. This storage solution is the best way to go. Alright, so this is going to be one of your easiest installs, and it's going to create a lot more storage spaces. Absolutely worth it. So all you're going to need is your push pin remover or your plastic rivet, whatever it's called or you want to call it. You're going to take off your panels just for the side pouches. You're going to need some alcohol and some cleaner just to make sure the surface is clean when you attach the Velcro and the stickers. It's all Velcro. Stretch it really tight in there. I'm actually going to use this to make sure I secure that Velcro in there. Fits nice and tight. Nice protection, marine grade vinyl. I'm gonna do the storage pouch now. I already started working on the panels, as you can see. Same concept, just remove the panels. It has holes for the push pins. Let's do the pouch now. Clean the area, put the pouch on. Alright, same rules apply when applying this side. It's just that this one has holes so you can put the push pins through, so it's going to attach to that. And it has Velcro underneath, same concept. Stick the Velcro underneath, stick the Velcro under the headlights, and mount that. So pretty simple setup. Let me just finish this and show you how it looks. Okay, this is what it looks like attached to the bike. Zippered pockets, flap to go over, make sure no weather, no rain or anything keeps the weather out. Same thing here, keep your documents, frees up so much room in your front. So like I said, one of the easiest installs I've done. Options, I believe black and red and possibly blue, I'm not sure, but you can get these available at most dealerships, Show Chrome, and any other place where you buy your accessories for your Can-Am Ryker. So, and remember everybody, ride safe, always ride safe.